Hi, this is the Pixel 7a and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store application and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. Green Apple keyboard. Apple. And now we should get this first application. That's why tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap to OK twice and go back. Then click to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished. That's why let's check our new keyboard and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.